Welcome to Relaxed Fit Tactical. Did you know New Mexico's gun culture traces back to its rugged territorial days, when settlers and militias leaned on firearms for survival? Well, that frontier spirit is but an echo today. In this video, we're breaking down New Mexico's gun laws, purchasing, carrying, restricted zones, and more. Let's dive in. Chapter 1. Purchasing firearms in New Mexico. No permit, no problem. New Mexico lets you buy rifles, shotguns, or handguns without a purchase permit. But every sale, dealer or private, requires a background check through a licensed firearms dealer. Since May 15, 2024, House Bill 129 kicked in a 7-day waiting period for all purchases, even if your check clears fast. If it's delayed beyond 7 days, the dealer holds the gun until it's approved. Exceptions? Federal firearms licensees, concealed handgun license holders, law enforcement agencies, and officer-to-officer transfers dodge the wait. Planning a buy? Factor in that week-long buffer and triple-check your paperwork. Don't let a slip-up delay your pickup. We say a right delayed is a right denied. What do you think? Do you agree on the 7-day waiting period? Chapter 2. Open and concealed. No license needed if you're 19 or older and legally armed. Hit the streets in most public spots without hassle. Concealed carry's a different game. You'll need a New Mexico Concealed Handgun License, CHL. To snag one, you must be a U.S. citizen and New Mexico resident or stationed military. Hit 21 years old, ace a certified training course with classroom time, veterans discharged within 20 years, or active cops might skip the training hurdle. Want to conceal comfortably? We got you at relaxedfittactical.com. Chapter 3. Carrying in vehicles. Your car's your castle in New Mexico. You can roll with a loaded firearm, open or concealed, inside your vehicle. No CHL required. Step out, though, and the rules flip. Concealed carry without a license turns illegal fast. Keep it loaded in the cab, but outside? Either open carry or grab that CHL. Know the line before you step out. Chapter 4. Restricted locations. Even with a license, some spots are off limits for guns. K-12 schools and buses, colleges and universities, courthouses and government buildings, airport security zones, public buses, private property with no gun signs, or a verbal heads up. Bars or restaurants serving booze, unless you've got a CHL and stay sober. Break these rules and you're risking charges or losing your carry rights. If you support 2A, let us know in the comments by typing 2A. Chapter 5. Assault weapons and large capacity magazines. Heads up. Since January 1st, 2025, the Assault Weapons and Large Capacity Ammunition Feeding Devices Act bans the sale, import, manufacture, and possession of certain semi-automatic firearms and high-capacity mags. The Attorney General's office calls the shots on what's restricted, but law enforcement and select exemptions stay in the clear. Got a questionable rifle or mag? Hit the Attorney General's site now. Don't wait for a knock on your door. Unhappy about it? Let them know. Chapter 6. Firearms and minors. Under 18, no firearms or ammo sales allowed. Full stop. The only workaround, parents or guardians can buy for their kids supervised hunting or range time. Passing down skills? Keep it legal. Stick to the rules and mentor responsibly. But what's allowed is hitting that like button. Chapter 7. Extreme Risk Protection Order. Red Flag Law. New Mexico's Red Flag Law lets cops or family petition a court to strip firearms from someone flagged as a risk. As of 2025, House Bill 12 ramps it up. Officers can act on duty-gathered intel, and if an ERPO hits, you surrender guns immediately. As of March 17, 2025, HB 12 has passed both legislative chambers and awaits the governor's signature to become law. A green flag for us is if you subscribe and hit that bell notification to help out our small 2A channel. Chapter 8. Recent News and Legal Challenges. Rewind to 2023. The governor dropped a shock ban on open and concealed carry in Albuquerque and Bernalillo County, citing gun violence spikes. Courts gutted it, and it faded by late 2024. But the Second Amendment firestorm it sparked still burns. Emergency powers versus gun rights? The debate's alive. New Mexico blends deep gun roots with tightening rules. Whether you're a rookie or a seasoned carrier, staying sharp on the law is on you. Smash that like button, subscribe to Relaxed Fit Tactical, and tell us in the comments. Do you agree with any of what New Mexico is doing? Catch you guys on the next one.